Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to send your profile link on Facebook. In this updated guide, we will walk you through the simple steps to quickly share your profile link with others. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Once you have the app open, tap on your profile picture located at the top left corner of the screen. Next, under your profile picture, tap on the three dots next to Edit Profile. This will open up a menu with various options. Now, at the bottom of the profile picture page, tap on the option that says Copy Link. This will automatically copy your profile link to your device's clipboard. Finally, you can now paste your profile link and send it to anyone you want to share it with. You can send it through a message, email, or any other means of communication. And there you have it. Sending your profile link on Facebook is as easy as that. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy sharing!